So we are here in the beautiful Dorset countryside revisiting one of our outdoor kitchen installations that we've done for one of our customers. Today I'm going to be showing you the kitchen, all the appliances and the process that we used to make it. So this is a classic L-shaped kitchen with a rendered finish, which we made using concrete blocks and then rendering afterwards with just standard sand and cement, and then painted. It was painted to match the existing cottage, which is behind us. So if we start down this end, this was a piece of marble that the customer had already and they wanted to use, so we thought we'd integrate this, lower it down so they could have this pot on the top. Here you've just got some storage underneath, Firemagic cupboard doors, soft close, very nice. Here we've got a Belfast sink, and then this is the tap that the customer wanted. It's a handmade thing, just made out of copper pipes. Again, copper tea towel holder there, and again storage cupboard there. That's got all your waste and everything underneath it, and electric. Here you've got a Beefeater stainless steel fridge, single fridge, keeping food and drinks in. You come along to here, you've got the green egg on a shelf. Again, this was another piece of marble that the customer had and wanted to use. It just breaks up the worktops quite nicely, and it's set down obviously so that the cooking height is the same as the worktop. Come around here, this is an Alfa Cupolino 60 stone built oven. So this comes as a clay mold with a base. It then needs insulation put over the top of it with chicken wire, and it is then rendered and painted to match the kitchen. This comes with this facade here. This brickwork here we actually did bespoke to get it to tie in. You can have a look in there, they've been using it before. So this one takes about an hour to get up to heat, and then about 90 seconds to cook a pizza on. Obviously log store underneath there. Coming around here you've got a Beefeater side burner, there you go, and underneath here you've got some Firemagic storage drawers. So these are very, very nice, completely bone dry. They even keep kitchen roll in there. Everything is soft close, stainless steel. And then over here we've got another access cupboard as well, just to give access and storage underneath there. And over here, if you want to come and have a look at this, this is a Firemagic Grillmaster drop-in grill. So it's basically a metal tray. It's got the turning handle here, so you can raise it and lower it to adjust your temperature. So everything about this kitchen is all about cooking on wood and coal and fire. There's no, apart from the side burner, there's no gas appliances. And that's it really. We've got decked on worktops. This is decked on Trillium. This one is called, it's a man-made product. It's made with 100% recycled materials. I think it's the only carbon-free, environmentally friendly worktop available on the market, and it's perfect for outdoors. It's heat proof, it's cold proof, it's scratch proof, it's indestructible. Once it's fitted, it's indestructible. So that looks really nice coming around here. We've also got decked on shelves as well, which give it that nice little feature. So that's it. So all in all, that's the kitchen. So I hope you found that helpful and informative. If you did, a nice way to help the channel is to subscribe to us and like the video. If you do subscribe, hit the notification button and you will be notified every time we bring out new videos. We also have a Instagram account and a Facebook account, so be sure to follow us on those. We post on those a few times a week so you can see what we're up to. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one.